Oppo A3 Pro 5 GCPH2639 EDL Test Point is a hardware-specific ISP pinout or test point used to enter the device into the EDL mode 9008 for flashing firmware, unlocking, or repairing. So, if your Oppo Qualcomm phone is bricked, forget pattern lock, or you're not able to unlock FRP, then Oppo A3 Pro Test Point can help you fix it quickly. The Oppo A3 Pro 5G is a popular smartphone known for its reliability and performance. However, if you find yourself locked out of your device due to FRP, factory reset protection, and are searching for a solution, we are here to guide you through the process. In this blog post, we will explore using the Unlock tool to perform a FRP bypass on the Oppo A3 Pro 5 GCPH2639. So let's dive right in. This used to be called Qualcomm EDL download mode on the Oppo A3 Pro 5G. You can use this test point in any box, such as Unlock tool, UFI, UMT, or Chimera. It's as simple as shorting the gold point to the ground and connecting the USB cable. Some people still use it because it's an advanced way to get around the bootloader needing to be unlocked. Oppo A3 Pro 5 GCPH2639 EDL Test Point image. Steps to boot into EDL mode. 1. Download and extract Qualcomm USB driver on your computer. 2. Install the Qualcomm USB driver on your computer. 3. Then, power off your Qualcomm Android device. 4. Remove the back cover of the phone. 5. Now check out the following image. 6. Find the EDL test point on your phone's circuit board. 7. Now you need a copper wire or tweezers to short that pin out. 8. Once you're done, connect your smartphone to the PC using a USB cable. Done. 10. Now you can use any unlock or flashing tool for Qualcomm to fix your phone. How to remove Oppo A3 Pro 5 GCPH2639 user lock and FRP. To remove the FRP and pattern lock from your Oppo A3 Pro 5 GCPH2639, you can use tools such as the Unlock tool, EFT dongle, UMT dongle, and Octopus FRP tool. To put your phone into emergency download mode, follow these steps. Remove the battery, short the test point to the ground, and plug in the USB cable. Remove Oppo A3 Pro 5G FRP using Unlock tool. Start up the Unlock tool software. Click on the Oppo tab. Select the Security tab. Choose the model Oppo A3 Pro. Navigate to the BROM/EDL option. After that, press BROM Erase FRP. Use the test point above to connect the phone. Oppo A3 Pro 5 GCPH2639 test point usage. In test point EDL mode, you can use various tools and software to perform tasks such as 1. Firmware flashing. You can restore your device to its factory settings if your device has any software-related issues or bugs. 2. Fixing a brick device. Test point download mode can help you unbrick your Oppo A3 Pro 5 GCPH2639 if it is stuck in a boot loop or not responding. 3. Changing the system files. Advanced users can use test point download mode to modify system files, install custom recoveries, and root their devices.